In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new component in Framer. If you're designing interfaces in Framer, components help you reuse patterns consistently, things like buttons, cards, or navigation items. So updates happen in one place and reflect everywhere they're used. Start by opening Framer and heading into the project you want to work on. Once your canvas loads, look to the left side of the editor for the Assets panel. If the sidebar looks collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the available libraries and sections. Inside Assets, find the section labeled Components. This is your project's library of reusable building blocks. To add a new one, hover over Components and click the plus icon that appears next to it. A small menu will pop up with options for what you can add. Click New Component. Framer will prompt you to enter a title. Use a clear descriptive name that reflects what the component is for something like primary button or product card, so it's easy to recognize later. A simple naming convention, like title case and avoiding special characters, keeps your library organized as it grows and helps teammates quickly understand what to use. Once you've typed the title, click Create. Framer will generate the new component and add it to your components list in the Assets panel. You'll see it ready to be customized on the canvas, and it will stay available in your library so you can reuse it across different pages and designs. If you rename it later, keep the name aligned with its purpose to prevent confusion. And that's the whole process. You opened your project, found the Assets panel, located the Components section, clicked the plus icon, chose New Component, gave it a thoughtful title, and confirmed by clicking Create. With that, you've set up a clean, reusable foundation for consistent UI in Framer. Take a moment to confirm it appears under Components, and you're all set for the next phase of your design workflow.